something went terribly wrong just seconds after takeoff. An Air India flight heading from Ahmedabad to London Gatwick crashed less than a mile from the runway, killing 241 people on board and more on the ground. Flight AI171 had only been in the air for about 30 seconds before it vanished from radar. Now, investigators from India, the US, and the UK are racing to find out what exactly happened. This crash is especially shocking because it's the first fatal accident involving a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner since the jet started flying passengers in 2011. So what caused this tragedy? The jet was flown by two experienced pilots with over 9,000 flying hours combined. But just after taking off on Thursday afternoon, the cockpit issued a mayday call. Then, nothing. No further communication. One survivor told Indian media he heard a loud bang as the plane struggled to climb. Moments later, it crashed into a crowded residential area, destroying buildings and sparking a massive explosion. Videos show the aircraft flying unusually low and then disappearing behind trees before the blast. So far, there's no confirmed cause, but experts are looking at a few possibilities. One theory? A double-engine failure, something extremely rare. The last time it happened was the Miracle on the Hudson back in 2009. But that pilot had altitude and time. This crew didn't. Some believe contaminated fuel or blocked fuel systems might have led to engine shutdown. Others point to a potential bird strike, a known issue at Ahmedabad airport, which has one of India's highest numbers of bird-related incidents. Another possibility? Human error, specifically, if the aircraft's flaps weren't extended during takeoff. Flaps help planes generate lift, especially on hot days with heavy fuel loads. On Thursday, temperatures in Ahmedabad reached nearly 40 degrees Celsius, not ideal for a long-haul takeoff. Still, experts say a 787 would warn pilots if flaps weren't set properly. So if that was the cause, it raises serious questions. Right now, all eyes are on the aircraft's black box, which holds key flight data, and on Boeing, who's sending a team to assist. Was it a mechanical failure, human mistake, or a tragic mix of both? That answer is coming, but for now, families and an entire nation mourn one of India's deadliest aviation disasters. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on major breaking news and global headlines.